Hello guys, welcome back. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix overheating on your INFINIX Note 30 VIP. First, close background apps by clicking this button here and closing all of them. I had none because I always close them. Next, lower your refresh rate and brightness. You don't have to do it, but it will help with overheating issues. Go to Display and Brightness and adjust the brightness like that. I'll keep it around here. Make sure to disable adaptive brightness because it will boost it up, and we want it lower. Here we have screen refresh rate, and you can use auto switch. It will adjust as you like, staying at 60 unless you're gaming. If you game, make sure to enable bypass charging. To enable it, go to Power Marathon, which is the battery setting. Go to Charge at the bottom and you'll find bypass charging. If your phone is connected to a working charger during gaming, it doesn't have to be the original. The power will go straight to the system and bypass the battery, so it won't heat up as much. As a last resort, make sure to update your software. Scroll down to System, System Update, and click on Online Update. My system is up to date, but if yours isn't, I recommend updating. That's it for the video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, leave a like, subscribe, comment, and I'll see you in the next one.